Cicadas. Put the flash off. Cicadas. Cicadas are insect. Lifespan. Lifespan. 2 to 7 years. And they're coming back. Yeah, this is cicada. It sounds like a definition of a cicada. You want to hear that again? Okay. Now, these insects, it looks definitely like that. Terrifying looking, and they're coming back. Let's say double blood. So it's gonna be 2 cicadas coming back. So that's gonna be, and we looking at this report. It's gonna be billions of cicadas are about to arrange creative once in a lifetime. And you read that, it's gonna be billions of them. That'd be a lot. And this is a novel. That's called I don't know what in the world we call that one was. This one is the other cicadas coming. It's huge. Blood X. I don't know what in the world did it say blood X. These it's more cicadas. It's like the giant one. This and this right here. So the definition of a 17 years old cicada, and that looks bigger. This one looks bigger than this one. That looks like a lot of cicadas. We're gonna get both of them this year of 2024. It's gonna be worse. You can't even go outside. Cicadas in Idaho. This is gonna be the best spring break ever. No, we're not gonna get cicadas spring break. I think they're gonna get them in April or May or early June. How it looks like they don't bite. It looks like friendly creatures you may be hats on. Yes, they can stick on you. You can eat them, and the taste actually be delicious for some people and not. And cicadas is friendly to people, but harmful for other predators. And that's how it looks. And they're colorblind, so they can fly into you or stick on you like glue. So that's gonna be a bad feeling for it. I know I do like the cicadas and no, because of insects, and no one like insects or bugs. Yet. And here's another picture of it. And we get both of them this year. I mean both, not one, but 2. This one is green and black. That way it looks like all black. Both these is the same as that, like, family. I don't know why people talking about it. And they make weird noises. And you get a law model. Yeah, they're colorblind. So, where do cicadas go when it rains? And does it kill them? I think they're like bees, because bees don't come out in the winter of Wayne? I don't know. Big article. Fingers are like bees, and it does maybe like go to sleep forever, or does. Here's one upside down. Looking, it looks very small. Cicadas, blood X, warm out be in Julian in Ohio and Michigan. This is gonna be great for all the people who live in Ohio and Michigan. This feel bad for you people over there for this insect to come over there on this and and steal your peace with loud. Okay, what's... Oh, here's another one. This is the skin pigment. This is not... It looks like a special cicada, but it is like special because it looks like a special thing. This is gonna be warning. They don't bite. Look how many... That'd be a lot of insects. Like, it's a lot of cicadas. Billions of cicadas are about to emerge and scientists didn't know about what will happen. Yeah, it's gonna make a lot of noise. That will happen. They're gonna make the loudest noise. I wish autumn does being stinkt. Here's one with the wings open. How it looks like how the wings open. This is not gonna be a long video. This is gonna be a short video, and this is like a warning for you guys because I'm the first one to be on warning. Look at that. We got these in 2020 or 2021. Those 2 years. And we saw these, not the other one. The other one is these guys. The big one. The big one. Let me stop saying the big one, but it is pretty big. Look at that face. It looks so cute of you. No, that's disgusting. And it's the same as that family like the other one, so it does not happen. Tell me what now. Look. Yes. See that? Yeah. This is a cicada, but this one you can see right on top of my screen. You can touch it up. And these bugs make noises. Like when you get a lawnmower out and cut them, when they're around, they make a lot of noise. This is like beautiful creatures, but I think the noises and the sticking and the color blindness is like, it's not that real. It's like, these cicadas need to stop coming out. So, I hope I don't see these at some time. I want to get out of the house. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Okay, let me stop. Cicadas, this is fine. You know, like cousin of family member is the wet eye cicada. Because I have wet eyes. Sorry guys, you have to look in the face of the cicada. It's the face of a cicada. This is gonna be great. Yeah, they're colorblind, so don't be worried. They don't bite humans. I know what. It looks so Wow, looks so. I don't know why I'm showing you this picture. Now you can eat them. Yeah, you can eat cicadas. You know that you can eat them. You can fry them. You can even do something with them. And this picture not even coming out. This one looks very cool. Ooh, a dog day cicada. That look, I never heard about that. Hear that? A dog day cicada? Dog day cicada? That sounds like an interesting cicada. I never heard one before. Where was online when the when the corn fire was happening? These bugs was we why? Because we actually saw them. We actually saw this bug. We actually saw not this one. This one looks like a special one, but the one with the wet eyes. We saw them, and I felt so scared and horrifying that these creatures come out. They're like, they're like, they're like Pennywise. They're like Pennywise the insect. There is Pennywise. Look at that coming. They're coming soon, hear me? You're coming soon with your family member. I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you have them. Okay, let me show you a noise from this. Yeah, I don't hear a noise, but I don't know the make noise. Oh, dog day. Dog day cicada. This is like the cicada family. What in the world is this? They have a lot of cicadas. They got the whole population of cicadas. Oh, I hope none of them come. What in the world is that? No, I have tiny legs, so that's cute. Tiny legs. I think this family is like cute and something. Wait, look at that cicada. That looks so nice. So we're gonna end the video off there. I hope you enjoyed this watching, and click subscribe and like my video. And this is a warning for y'all. And we gonna see you in the next time. Peace.